a getting started card. What else? It's got, this is, there's mystery boxes. What is in this mystery box? Just when I put my scissors away. This is so exciting, guys. Thank you all so much for all of the generosity. This is happy birthday week to me. Thank you all. Okay, this appears to be a power cable. And then, oops, and then there's another one though. I think there's two parts to the power cable. This is like the actual plug, and this is like the adapter that goes into the thing. So there's that. So nice. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the boxing is really nice. It's almost like an iPad box or an iPhone box. Like, it's really nice quality. So this is this beautiful baby here. Here's the magic of this. These are mic inputs, and this has 4 of them. What's cool about these inputs is they're what you call combo jacks, so you can put a mic, a microphone plug into it, or an instrument plug. It also has 6 line outs, 4 outs and 2 monitor outs, an optical, power switch, and then on the front it has not 1 but 2 headphone controls, which is really nice. You can independently control 2 different people's headphone mix directly from this box. And it has 2 instrument inputs on the front. So really that's like 6 inputs total. 4 microphones and 2 instruments, or up to 6 instruments, or 1 microphone and 5 instrument, however you want to do it, which is awesome. And then so the one I've been using, I can show you guys the one I've had for a long time. There goes Vito. Is this Focusrite Scarlett, and it's been great, but I bought this when I first started streaming after I borrowed one from Finger Pistol Dan for a while and liked it, and then decided I was going to get my own. It has 2 mic inputs, or, you know, 1 mic and 1 instrument. It's got 2 more inputs in the back. I haven't really used those actually, but it's quite a bit more limited. The other thing that's really cool about this is it connects with Universal Audio's digital audio software, which is kind of like a Pro Tools kind of thing. It's called Luna, but it's a Pro Tools type software where you can record into it at a professional level. And they have a lot of their own software. And this machine, as you can see, it's pretty heavy. It's got a fan venting in it. They get pretty hot. The one I've been renting gets very hot, and it's smaller. It's half as many inputs as this. This has got its own 4 quad core processor inside of it. So what that means is, like, my computer that I stream from is a 6-core i7. This is a 4-core in this box. So I will then have 10 cores of processing between my computer and this runs a lot of the software that you need to produce music, to record music, to mix and put effects on your songs and stuff like that. So it takes the pressure off of your computer's brain because it's got its own, and it interacts with the software through a cable and it transfers the like digital signal processing is what they call it, DSP engines, into here instead of running it on the computer's hard drive or the computer's RAM or whatever. So this really lets it be a lot more powerful and lets me run a lot more programs to do better recordings and better mixing. And the songs that TN and I have been working on, he has this same type of stuff, so we can pass sessions, full audio sessions, back and forth and hear the same thing and use the same softwares and effects and stuff and hear it the same way, so we know how the thing is going. So long story short, this is a very powerful little machine, and I've got extra microphone inputs now, so if I have somebody come over or if I can figure out how to reroute my sound better, it'll give me better sound, it'll give me better ways to write long story, medium to long. It'll help me to create better content on here and for my Patreon songs of the month and all kinds of stuff. So but the best thing it's gonna do recently coming up here is help me get my mixes done for my upcoming songs. So I'm gonna return the Apollo Twin rental on Tuesday, and I'll start using this maybe as soon as Monday if I get it hooked up and make sure everything's set up on it. So thank you guys so much for this wonderful gift. I'm so blown away and so thankful at our community. You guys are the most generous, wonderful community, and thank you for the birthday gift, and can't wait to hook it up. So thank you guys so much. And woohoo! It is cool, Maddie. Thank you guys for all of the love.